How to use barley. Dilute nyo lang po, i-mix nyo yung green powder into a cold or room temperature water. Consume it within 20 minutes to get the full benefits of the live enzymes. Best to sip it slowly on an empty stomach for optimal nutritional benefits kasi there is no presence of other food yet in our digestive system. It can also be used as a smoothie booster, added to soups or stew. Best taken first thing in the morning because after sleep, they say we are usually most acidic. So yung alkalinity power ng barley will neutralize our acidity. Also, 3 to 4 hours before bedtime. It is not advisable to take barley at the same time with other prescribed meds. Okay? But it can be taken with other prescribed meds. Just a matter of proper scheduling. Kasi po, yung alkalizing property of barley tend to increase the medicine dosage. It is like when we use alkalized water. It tends to enhance the flavor of whatever we cook. So, ganun din po sa medicine dosaging. Diba? Yung, it can enhance, no? So, mas mag-i-increase po siya in terms of potency. So, huwag po dapat isabay lamang. We recommend about 2 to 4 hours of clearance between taking your barley and your prescribed medicine.